everyone, welcome to Mrs. Shin's class. Today we're going to go over the rest three scatters, okay, whether it's constant, non-constant scatters, outliers, and clusters. Remember last time we already covered linear and nonlinear trend, positive, negative, whether the relationship is strong, moderate, and weak. Okay, so let's have a go at doing the next one, scatters. Right, another thing that you need to mention is whether the data is constant or non-constant. Have a guess, which one looks constant and which one looks non-constant? Obviously this one is very consistent along the trend line, whereas this one, it looks like a funnel, right? It increases, it has a lot of variation as x increases, so this is called non-constant. Okay, so there's a term, constant scatters, roughly the same amount of the scatters you look as you look across a plot, whereas non-constant scatters, it looks like a fan or funnel. More variation on either end. So under the statement, the first thing that you have to say is whether is the scatter is constant or non-constant, and I've said non-constant scatter data. You need to explain, okay, that there is more variation for the data when U2 is large. The number of U2 clip is large, right? There are more variations, you see, when the x-axis gets large, right? Give your insight, give reasons why this might have happened. This will pull you up to excellence. Okay, so there you go. We just differentiate what's constant or non-constant scatter data. Okay, now let's have a look at outliers. Right, outliers. If you have a look at this is the odd one out. Yep, it's not really following the regression line. Regression line, another term, it's line of best fit. So all the other dots, okay, it's closely close enough to the line of best fit, but except this point. Okay, so this is what you should say. On the x-axis, that's the age of trees. Age of trees goes up, and the height of the trees in meters. Okay, I noticed that there is an outlier of age of tree and the height in meters, which is this one. I have one outlier. Okay, you have to read the values. So it's around 140 years old, but the height is 40. Okay, the normal one should be, we expect it to be go up looking somewhere around there, so around 100, right? When the x is 140, it's not really following the association, it's not following the trend. Okay, that's what I explained in here. Right, now you need to give insight. Why, and what might have happened. Sometimes it's because of the data entry. It does happen in the real life. Or if you think about it, the tree might have died, okay? And it's not no longer growing anymore after certain years. So there will be many reasons behind it. So just give me some insight why this might have happened. Okay, it will pull you up to excellence. Okay, so we just covered the outliers. Now let's have a look at the last one, groups. Right, if you see the scatter plot, sometimes there are some groups of dots clustered together. Okay? Right, so what you need to do, you need to say, oh, I see that two groups of data on the scatter graph one on the left, one on the right, right? Normally they should be all in the same color, but I just made it in green and blue so you can vividly see this is one group and this is another group. Okay, and I explained in context. So left cluster is a brand that tends to use the low calories and low sodium. On the right clusters, it tends to be high in calories and also high in sodium. Next, what do you need to do? Obviously, I need to include some values, numerical terms, okay? Left clusters, okay, tends to have around 140 calories and around 360 sodium per serving, whereas the blue ones on the right clusters, okay, around 180 calories and has about 500 mils of sodium per serving. Yeah. Next, obviously you need to give some insight, which would also pull you up to excellence. Okay, so there you go. We just finished analyzing all 6 points. Okay, so I want you to have a go at doing the question and analyzing the rest 3 as well. Okay, there you go. Here's some notes that you can copy down. Okay, well done. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.